And on today's episode, we are making chili. Oh, yeah, family, it's that time of the season. We're going to make us some good old fashioned homemade chili today. As you can see, these are our ingredients. We got some beef base, we got some canola oil, we got some crushed tomatoes, we got some tomato paste, we got green chilies, we got our can of beans, we got our onion, we got that ground sirloin, we got some beef broth, and here's our chili seasoning. We got chili powder, salt, pepper, paprika, oregano, and cumin. So let's start off. We're gonna get our onion cut. This is a pretty big onion, so I'm not using the whole onion. We only gonna do half. So we're gonna peel it, and we're gonna get our dice out of there. So you're gonna cut it the long way, and then we're gonna cut it the short way in the middle. As soon as I get a grip on my knife, make sure, family, watch your fingers. Need your fingers. You don't want to cut your fingers as you're doing this. Now we're just gonna get our dice out of here. There we go. See that? Just that easy, baby. So we're gonna continue to dice our onions. We're gonna get it all diced down. We're about to move on to the next step, baby. So in our pot over medium-high heat, let's go ahead and get us some canola oil in there. And we're just gonna let it heat about 30 to 45 seconds. Just let it heat. Now we're going to add in our ground sirloin. Let's get that in there. We're just going to give it a good smash. Make sure it's all touching the bottom. That way, your meat will get cooked. It'll get that nice char on there, nice crust on there. Good for texture. So we got our ground sirloin working. So let's just go ahead and start to break it down. Get everything in. You know what I'm talking about? So let's just continue to break it down. Break it down, break it down, break it down. Yeah. All right. So we're just going to continue it. As you can see, let's just get it all broken down. Now we're going to add in our seasonings for our meat. This is lawry seasoning salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. So let's go ahead and get our seasonings in there. For our meat, we have our separate seasonings for our chili. You'll see that later. So let's just get all these seasons mixed in, get this flavor added to this meat. All right, as you can see, our ground meat is done. Let's go ahead and get it out, get it drained. We're gonna set it to the side. In that same pot, let's add our onions. Let's just get all our onions in here. There we go. Get them all in there. All right, we're gonna saute those onions for about a minute or two till they become translucent. Let's just saute them. Oh, and I did forget. Let's go ahead. I should have added my oil earlier, but I'm adding my oil now. Don't make a difference. But let's go ahead and finish sauteing these. Get it done. Now let's add our beef base. Better than bouillon beef base. Oh, hold on to it now. All right. Let's get that in now and get it mixed in. You want to coat your onions with the beef base. Be sure not to burn it though. So you got to move fast at this step. So we got our onions coated in the beef base. Let's go ahead and get that ground sirloin in there. It's drained. It was resting. So now let's just mix everything up. Get that beef base mixed in. Get them onions mixed in. Have everything mingling together, creating a delicious chili flavor. This is just the start, y'all. Continue to watch how we transform this ground sirloin into chili, baby. All right, now let's go ahead and get our tomato paste. And I believe that's a 10-ounce can. So let's go ahead and get a 10-ounce can of tomato paste in here. Get it all out. And we're just going to mix this up. Make sure it's not tomato paste in clumps. So let's just get it mixed in into the meat, into the onions, into that better than bouillon beef base, baby. Yeah, so continue to mix it. There we go. Let's get it all mixed in. Get it all mixed in. We turning this into chili, baby. Check us out. Check us out. Already. All right. So we just gonna continue to mix it. Make sure it's right where we need it to be. Just like that. Now let's go ahead and add our crushed tomatoes. 120-ounce can. And with the same thing, let's clean that can out first. Clean that can out. Get it all out of there. There we go. Like I say, the same thing. Let's go ahead and mix it in. Get it mixed into the meat. Get it mixed into the onions. Get it mixed into the beef base, baby. So we're just gonna get it mixed in. It's coming along just fine. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That boy be cooking. All right, continue to mix it till everything is evenly distributed throughout your pot. As you can see here, check us out, baby. All right, let's go ahead and throw these green chilies in there. Just to give it a slight little kick. Throw some green chilies in there. And like always, mix it in, get it combined, well combined, getting this chili going. We step by step, baby. This chili is coming out just great for the start. You wait till you see it when it's finished. All right, so now we're gonna take us 3 cups of beef broth. Let's get all 3 cups of beef broth in there. Stir it in. And we're just gonna thin everything out because it's really thick with the tomato paste and tomato sauce. So let's go ahead and get us some beef base. That's gonna help with the flavor as well. Forgive me, not beef base, but beef broth. Forgive me, family. So we're mixing it up. We're getting it all together. Look at that. That's chili right there, baby. That is chili right there. Not quite, not quite. Now we turn it into chili, baby. Here's our seasoning. So we got our chili powder, we got our cumin, we got our oregano, we got our paprika, black pepper, and kosher salt. Not regular salt, kosher salt. You can use regular salt if you want to. That's your world. I'm using kosher salt. And let's mix all these spices and seasonings in this chili, baby. Yeah, look at that. Oh, we looking like chili. We looking like chili. We're going to taste it and make sure we tasting like chili too. But for sure, we looking like chili. Oh, yeah. Check that out. We still ain't finished yet. Now, to each his own. Some people like beans in their chili. Some people don't like beans in their chili. I like beans in my chili. So guess what? I'm throwing some chili beans in my chili. So I'm going to drain the can, get all the juices off of it. And we just getting our beans in our chili, baby. Our chili beans in our chili. Yeah. And we're going to mix that up. Get all the beans combined. Spread it throughout that chili. Oh, yeah. That's chili right there, y'all. That's chili. I done tasted it, too. That's chili all day, every day. Delicious chili on top of that. Check that out. Ooh, check that out. All we got to do now, baby, all we have to do now is put a lid on that thing. Oh, let's look at that real quick. Look at that. Look at that. It's chili, baby. That's homemade chili. You hear me? Yeah. Homemade chili, baby. All right. Now, like I said, only thing left to do now is just pop our lid on it, cook for about an hour and a half, and bam, check that out. That's our chili. It's all said and done. That's it. That's all, y'all. Look at that. Delicious homemade chili. Yeah. That boy can cook. Ooh, look at that. Let's eat. All right, family. That is it. That is all. We got this delicious homemade chili, y'all. Yeah. Check us out. You know how we do. Check us out. Nice bowl of chili, baby. In your face. Chili. Oh, look at that. Nice big bowl of chili. You can eat it with crackers. You can eat it with cornbread. I'm eating mine with cornbread today. Sometimes it's crackers. Sometimes it's cornbread. It all depends on how I feel, baby. It all depends on how I feel. So let's dig in. Let's taste it. See what we made. Get some of this cheese, green onions, and this chili. Yeah. It's hot now. That's that chili right here. That's that chili right here. That's good, baby. Ooh, that's good. As always, family, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you stayed to this long, if you send me now and you ain't subscribed yet, go on and hit that button, because evidently you enjoyed the video and I got plenty more to come. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share it with your people. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we doing when we doing it. And also, family, I want to introduce, I am starting a new 30-minute recipe challenge starting in February the 5th. So I'm doing a 30-minute recipe challenge, unedited, uncut, just straight rolling through the camera. I'm gonna set a timer on now, and we're gonna see if I can beat that time and make that meal in 30 minutes or less. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you know when I drop it, you'll be ready to see it. With that all said and done, baby, that boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone. Yeah.